Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Monero coin. In my previous videos, I've been telling you that the Monero has completed a very big bullish setup for a very big rally in the US dollar market. And this was the video that I first shared with you almost 11 months ago in Feb 2020. And as a follow-up, I have been sharing these videos again and again. Like here I have shared seven months ago, then 8 months ago, and the last video that I shared with you was 1 month ago. And this was a chart that the price action had completed a very big bullish bat pattern. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how the Monero has completed another setup that is in the Bitcoin market, that the Monero is going to start a really very big bullish rally against the Bitcoin. And this is another very big bullish bat pattern on the 2-month chart. So let's start the video. First of all, I would suggest you, if you did not subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first and do hit the bell icon as well so you would not miss any videos that I'm uploading on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me on the Patreon, where I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and I've also shared a complete trade plan that how you can enter in this trade safe and sound, and how what will be the targets according to the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bat pattern. And in today's video, I'm also going to share with you how you can enter in this trade. So first of all, if I play this chart that I shared with you almost a year ago, this was the bullish bat pattern in the US dollar market, a big bullish bat on the monthly chart. Then you can see at that time, the price line was moving at $85.38. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and you can see that so far it has rallied up to $190. So this is more than 122% rally so far. And I'm even expecting more than that because it has also completed another big bullish setup in the Bitcoin market. Definitely, if it will turn bullish against the Bitcoin, it will also turn bullish in the US dollar market as well. Now, this is the live monthly chart, and this is the same bad pattern that we have seen here. The price action is moving up, and basically the price line took the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone of the bullish bad pattern, and from this first pivot support as well. This is a very important point. Keep this point in your mind. I'll tell you later in this video why it is important. Now, if we take a look at the weekly chart, then we can see the different support and resistance levels, the long-term support and resistance levels. First, the price action broke out this $100 resistance. Then it also broke out the $140 resistance level. And you can see that after breaking out every resistance, it is retesting the previous resistance as a support. For example, here, the price line first rejected by the resistance, and then it broke out this resistance. Try to retest. You can see the price action went very close to this previous resistance that was working as a support at that time, and rallied to the upside and broke out the next resistance. At this time, it is retesting this previous resistance as a support. So this is a very good opportunity to buy the XMR at this support, because if this support won't be broken down, if it will be safe, then we can see the next rally to the $260 very soon, because there is no significant resistance between the $140 to $160. You can see our next resistance was previously $260. So soon we can see this level of $260. And if you watch here, then the price action is forming an up channel. Let me show you more closer. And this is the same weekly chart, and here we can see that this move, the price action has formed this up channel and moving between the resistance and the support of this channel very well. And the price line is also retesting the 10, the exponential moving average 10, and this red one is the exponential moving average 21 as a support very well. You can see here it has retested the EM at 21. Here it has retested the EM at 10, and now it is again retesting the EM at 10 and 21 at the same time, and retesting the previous channel support while it is retesting the EM at 21. And at the same time, it is also retesting the previous resistance as a support that is $140. So this is the best time to buy the dip. You can see that the price action is retesting the previous resistance as a support and also retesting the support of the channel. And from here, it can rally to the upside. And I'm expecting that this time it can even break out this resistance of the channel as well, because our next price level resistance is at $260. And in order to move up to this level, the price action needs to break out this resistance of the channel as well. Yes, it is also possible that the price action will move in this way, like it will be rejected by the resistance, move to the support, rejected by the resistance, move to the support, and after some time it will reach up to $260 resistance. Now, this is the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly chart. This is also a very strong bullish signal that the Ichimoku cloud is completely bullish. You can see that the lagging span is moving above the bearish cloud, and the price action has also broken out the bearish cloud as well. We have the conversion line and the baseline in the bull cross form, like the conversion line, the blue one has crossed up the red one. If you're not able to watch it, I'm just going to make it more visible for you guys. This is a conversion line, and this is the baseline, and this is the lagging span. So here we can see the lagging span has crossed up this Ichimoku cloud, and the candlesticks have also broken out this bearish cloud, and now the price line is retesting this bullish cloud level and this these conversion and the baseline as well as a support. And we also have the bull cross between the conversion and the baseline. This blue one, the bullish line, has crossed up this bearish line. This is really very strong bullish on the weekly chart. Now I want to show you a very big bullish setup in the Bitcoin market, and the price line can start a really very big bullish rally in the Bitcoin market and in the US dollar market as well. Now here we can see that this is the 2-month chart. And first, the price action rallied to the upside and retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And finally, it has been retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. At this time, the price line is hitting a spike beyond this potential reversal zone. Therefore, I would suggest you to wait for the price action to close below this potential reversal zone to enter back in this potential reversal zone. And it is doing the same thing like it did in the US dollar market as well. Here we have the pivot first support. This was the point I was telling you that you should keep in your mind. I will tell you later on this video. And this is the point, very important, that the price action is testing this pivot first support. You can see this is the pivot first support. And it is also testing this support of the potential reversal zone as well. And we are having a very strong bearish spike even beyond this potential reversal zone and the pivot first support of the 2-month chart as well. Now let's move back to the US dollar market. So this is the chart of XMR with US dollar pair. And this was the XMR with Bitcoin pair. So here we can see that in the US dollar market, here the price action spiked very hard beyond this potential reversal zone. Let me show you here. And this was the candlestick in the month of March. We had a very strong bearish spike, and it tested the pivot first support as well. And from here, it started the next bullish rally to the upside, even crossed up the EMA 10 and EMA 21 as well on the monthly chart. Now let's have a look back on this Bitcoin market with the Bitcoin pair. Then we can see that same move, the price line is hitting a very hard bearish spike beyond this potential reversal zone, same as like the previous move in the US dollar market. And it is testing the pivot first support as well. And from here, we can expect that it will start the next bullish rally to the upside because it has already turned very strong bullish in the US dollar market. So we can consider that this can be the last bearish spike in the Bitcoin market with the Bitcoin pair, and it can start the next bullish rally. But this pivot first support should be our stop loss because if it will be broken down, then our last support is here. You can see that this is our last support. The price action can move up to this previous lowest price level to retest the previous support of the lowest price in the history of the Monero as per the Bittrex exchange. The complete buying and selling targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish bad pattern I have shared here at the Patreon. However, if the price action will reach up to the previous highest price ever in the history of the Monero as per the Bittrex exchange, that was 0.03798 BTC. So if the price of Bitcoin at that time would be $40,000, then it can easily reach up to $1,500. And if the Bitcoin price will be $50,000, then it can reach up to $2,000 really very easily. So I hope that you like the analysis. And what's your opinion about this analysis and my previous analysis, the Monero with the US dollar pair that I shared with you previously? What do you say about it? And what about this new pattern? You can share your opinions in the comment section. And if you like the video, then do hit the like. And if you would like to support me on the Patreon, then you can also follow the link I have shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.